Hi friends, I have two Disney park bags full of pins. I went to Disneyland for Halloween. I took my daughter for the first time and it was great. And I bought a bunch of pins that I unboxed there, but I lost footage. So I have them all. Opened and empty, but I don't remember, so here goes. Let's just start. Oh, okay, so these are the coffee pins. They're pretty cute. They're big. I'm gonna try to go through these quick because my battery is dying, per usual. And then these are the backs. I wish I saved a bag because I don't know which ones I need. Pin down. So my battery died. But okay, let's continue. I actually found a few pins in their boxes still. So I guess I'll open these and then share the rest. So, oh, I also have open edition pins like such. I love Pluto. He's so cute in his little doghouse with his Red Bull and bone. Very happy boy. Let's see what else we have in here. This one is Jasmine and Aladdin on the magic carpet. I have more of these. These are new, I think. They're Disney Magical Mystery Pin Series 18. And the back shows the options. I believe there's actually only one in each pack. Why did I think there were two? Was that a thing before? Did they change that? I'm pretty sure you got 2 pins per mystery pin bags, but okay. And then, so for these, they're socks, and they're also cute, so I would like to collect all of them. And I have, hold on, my dog wants to leave. So I'm confused. Is the one pin the matching set or one individual sock? We'll find out, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6, so if 2 of them come in one bag, then I have a chance to complete them. And then this Disney Princess Mystery Collection box comes, it contains 2 randomly selected pins. And I believe I opened this in my last one that the footage got lost. So I will try to sort through the pins that I did open and see which ones I opened and which ones I need. Hopefully they're in this bag. What else is in here? Oh, this is Stitch Crashes Disney. This is series 8 out of 12. This obviously finished, I think, last year, but it's Stitch as Snow White. And I had to get it because my daughter was Snow White for Halloween. And this was just a perfect pin to get. It was a little pricey, $24.99, but it's a massive pin. So I thought it was great. And I was sleepy. My mom was sneezy. She suffers from allergies year round. And my dad was Doc. He has glasses. And my husband was Prince Charming. So it was really cute. And then let's see what else. I'm trying to get through these pins before opening those, but I don't know. I'm still deciding. Okay, so like I said, I went for Halloween. So I have holiday edition pins. This is super cute. It is a pin that is shaped like the castle, and it's made out of pumpkins. Super cute. Then I also got this Princess Aurora. I think these are the new open edition princess pins. It's a pin on pin. And she is holding her tiara. Super cute. And then this one is of Elsa. I think this one's from the second movie. It's gotta be from the second movie, because I don't remember this dress from the first one. I should probably see those again. Trying to get through these. This is another Halloween edition pin of Minnie and Figaro. And she's dressed as a cat with her cat ears. Full moon. Super cute. This is a limited edition. It says Happy Halloween 2021 with the Aristocats. Love Marie. She's my favorite. And this one, I love the backing to it. It's shaped like a pumpkin. And then the back says limited edition of 4,000. My battery's gonna die again. Joy. I should remember to always charge my camera. It's always like dying on me. Okay. So I guess I'll save these because I need to rummage through to get the ones that I already have so we could see which ones I need. And I will start off with the new ones. So let's see. Forgot how to open these. It's been so long. Okay. Oh, okay, so they come in a pair. This is the Chipmunks, Chip and Dale. Chip is the one with the brown nose, like a chocolate chip. They're so cute. Let's see. Next one. This is so cute. This is Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Let's see. Number 3. Oh, I love this one. It's Lady and the Tramp. Okay, let's try this one more time. So, where was I? Okay. I have 3 more of these to go. And I hope I don't get a double. Every time I say that, I get a double. This one's still cute. I'm pretty sure I could easily trade this one. I miss pin trading. When I went to the park in October, there weren't that many pins to trade with, and it was just sad. I miss that experience. This one's cute. This one's Olaf, and I don't know the name of this little one from the second movie. I really must watch it again. I think the only time I watched it was on the plane back in back in 2020. And another Pooh and Tigger. I can definitely see these getting traded pretty fast for, which one am I missing? Oh, I'm missing Thumper and Bambi, and is it Panic and, oh my god, I can't remember his name, but from Hercules, which is pretty interesting because I never see any Hercules pins, so that one's pretty cool. Okay, so now I want to open this, but I want to see what I have first. I have this bag full of pins that I unboxed a long time ago and lost footage, like I said. So it's a lot of pins. My goodness. Well, okay, so I see more coffee pins, and I saw in my phone a picture of the packaging that shows which pins are in this collection. So far I showed you Donald, Sorcerer Mickey, Dumbo, and now Rapunzel down here. So let's see. Then I have Moana, Ursula. That one's a pretty cool pin. I love this one. Belle. "101 Dalmatians." I take better care of my pins, guys. Sorry, I'm so close. This was a mess. I don't know what else to say. This is Olaf. Minnie. Oh, another Rapunzel. That one can easily get traded. Everyone loves Rapunzel. Another Belle. And I think that's all I see. Oh, no. One more Tinkerbell. She's cute. That is all I am seeing. Oh, sorry. There's more in the bag. I'm gonna try to do this fast because I don't want to wait again for my battery to charge. Another 101. Oh, actually, no, this is the first 101 Dalmatians. Okay, there's nothing left in the bag. Okay, another Olaf. And another Minnie. So I still need a few more pins. I need Pinocchio, Hades. There's a rainbow color one over here. I don't know what that is. Is this one Hercules? I don't know what that one is. Then I need Cheshire Cat above, and that's it. So hopefully I can get trades for that. I opened, this is random, I opened one of these collar series mystery pin of Figaro. And then, oh, the Tiny Kingdom series. I'm not sure if I got a picture of that, but I think this one's Disneyland. Cars Land. There should be another one, but oh yeah, the Star Wars pin. Okay, I wasn't a fan of that box. Okay, we're getting there, people. We're getting there. And then, before I get to the princess ones, I finally found them. There was another series that I unboxed, and it was the Pet series. And it is super cute. I really like this pin from Emperor's New Groove and Percy from Pocahontas. Bolt's cute too. And each box contains 2. And I got Max from The Little Mermaid. And this kitty, I believe, is from, is it Pets? Is that a Disney film? I don't know. But she's cute with her little pink bow. Okay, finally, the last box to unbox. I really like these pins because they're super big and they're all princesses. So I love Snow White. I love Mulan. I love Belle and Pocahontas. So the ones that I have unboxed, Snow White, so pretty. Belle, I feel like this is an unboxing all over again because it's been so long I don't remember. Tiana, and Moana. I love that she is included now. Love this movie. Okay, last unboxing of the day. My battery's gonna die. Okay, let me do this quick. Ooh, this one is Princess Aurora. Really pretty. I love her hair flowing out. And last but not least, ooh, it's a new one. Pocahontas. So pretty. So I still have 2, 4, 6. I have 6 left. So hopefully, whenever that is, whenever I make it to Disneyland, I'm gonna make sure to get more of these boxes and more of the coffee ones, because I don't know when I'm gonna pin trade. But that's all. I hope you liked this video. And if you actually have any pins that you would like to trade with, just let me know. Thanks for watching.